Okay, good evening, everyone. Today we will talk about the materials for cultural awareness, combining language, literature, and cultural and minds. When we say literature can be a powerful tool for cultural awareness in language education, it is true because literature a can be a tool to widen the horizon or widen the knowledge about a specific language, or you can share it to your class, or you can use literature to your class in terms of engaging or in terms of learning new language in education. By combining language, literature, and culture helps learner go beyond understanding word, the experience meaning. So when we combine the three, kay makakuan yun siya no maka go beyond sa understanding sa students, maka create of new learnings that they can be culture sensitive to their peers, and they can also it can also learn new language or new vocabulary in using or combining the three. The focus of this discussion using two poems by Roger McGough in 1983, a Liverpool poet. So the sample poem titled Vinegar. Sometimes I feel like a priest in a fish and chip queue, quietly thinking as a vinegar runs through how nice it would be to buy a supper for two. To the short but culture-rich poem that represents imagery specific to British life, it challenges for the second language learners unfamiliar cultural context, idiomatic expressions, implied emotions. So this poem it can challenge them learn the second user, the second language, which is the English, na i-familiar nila ang unsa jud context aning poem. So it is the challenge of the teacher on how she approach or how she combined the three. So now let's talk about the cultural bound versus cultural reach. So the cultural bound may be difficult to understand without shared cultural experiences. So difficult yun siya na ma-understand sa other, no? Just like for example, kay mag-discuss kag other culture niya ang uban kay dili nga na culture. So maglibog jud ang students nimo or difficult jud sa ila mag-understand kay dili man sila shared o cultural experiences sa imuha or sa ilang peers. While the cultural reach kay offers valuable insights into the target culture. So ang ano nila kay it offers a valuable insight into the target culture. So imuhang gina show bit imong gina share sa imuha unsa jud ang insight anin sa inyong target culture ninyo ang gina-tackle or unsa jud ilang highlight ana na culture mao na ang gina-show sa teacher sa young students. So the same text can be seen as either obstacle or opportunity. So sa kay namatay diverse learners, no, so some view it as an obstacle and some see it as an opportunity. So it depends on the understanding, it depends on the view of the students. So next is the experiencing the poem. So reading Vinegar involves more than decoding words, and it involves visualization. Just for example, the chip shop, vinegar and vinegar bottle. It also affects emotional connections, and for example, loneliness, warmth, and memory. It also tackles about self-talk and reflection. This is an example of an aesthetic response, just I just like Roosevelt in 1994, where the reader lives in the text. So the self-talk and reflection, just like Morga, istorya kasi mo self bitaw no Morga reflect ka, ay, ingani da ay ang story. So maunang imong butang ginalive kung unsay naa sa text murag imong gibot butang real life ba ang situation kay imong gi kuan sa imuha murag ikaw ang naa sa story imong gi relive ang text or ang story. Now, let's proceed to the aesthetic response and cultural awareness. So not all learners will have the same response due to cultural background differences. Muna akong giingon ganihan no, na it is the kuan jud, it is kanang mag-base jud sa view jud sa students. So dira jud ta mag kuan bitaw no kay dili man tanan parehas og cultural background. So different jud ilang view sa view sa or response nila sa culture. But we can help learners experience text aesthetically by encouraging mental imagery, prompting personal connections, and discussing cultural context. But also, it also the student as the teachers no job to be jud kanang kuan jud niya i-positive jud niya ang positive jud ang pag-deliver niya sa specific culture. Now let's proceed to the literature as cultural travel. So literature allows readers to travel through different cultures. So ang literature no kay ang literature manggod kay gikan man guna siya sa culture sa specific writer kay without the culture of the specific writer dili nila mabuhat ilang literature. Just like for example, A Thousand and One Night, o sa may culture ana niya, di ba kuan man na siya, Arabic. So, dira jud na, gikan jud na siya sa Arab na dili jud ka makabato literature kung walay culture or sa or way nimo sa pagstorya or pagsulat rather. So just as physical travel highlights cultural differences, so does engaging with literature. Reflections help learners understand both the target and their own culture more deeply. The key definitions are the awareness, internal rather, growing understanding versus static knowledge, cultural awareness, understanding how other groups think, feel, and act. So, importante dyan na siya, we should be aware, we should not be ignorant about other culture. So, that is the job of the teacher na dili ma-feel ignorant ang mga students sa other culture. So next is literature, texts that leave gaps for interpretation, provoke emotions and thoughts, and create personal meaning. And lastly, culture, shared behaviors and beliefs, national, regional, communal, or individual. So next is combining in the mind. Language, literature, and culture interconnected in the brain, cognitive and emotion, linguistic and non-linguistic, sensory and reflective reflective. This multidimensional engagement helps learners retain and grow from the experience. So by combining this in your mind kay murag kuan ka kanang like you are an open-minded person jud in terms of the culture of others. You are sensitive enough, you are understanding to other culture. Dili ka centered bita murag imong culture imong jud gina respeto nimo, but by combining these three kay imong gina maka gain na ka og responsibility, maka gain na pug ka og respect to other culture. Now let's proceed to the teaching implications. Don't just teach the teacher, help learners experience it, just like we are practicing right now, like kuan bitaw ta murag learner centered na ta. So dili lang ta mag-teach og literature, but also we can help learners experience it, just like for example bitaw no, if we encourage empathy and reflection, sparks cross-cultural understanding, build deeper, more lasting language acquisition. Dili lang ka na ginapabasa lang nimo mga literature, but also we can kung bitaw create like mga interactive activities, just like role play. Kay dira murag diverse man ato ang klase, dili ta dapat magamit og passive teaching. Dapat active ang atuang learning environment. Now, developing cultural back awareness through literature is an essential goal of education. Helping learners experience texts like Vinegar can strengthen language skills, deepen emotional intelligence, and foster intercultural empathy. So, dili lang no ang effective ang na tackle na, but also we strengthen language skills kay by learning literature kay makagain kag new vocabulary, new learnings about the specific